Constant ringing in your ears, that's tinnitus and it's driving you crazy. But what if I told you there's a way to find relief without medication? Hypnosis. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just for party tricks. Studies show hypnosis can actually reduce tinnitus symptoms. How? By retraining your brain to focus less on that annoying sound. It's like turning down the volume in your mind. Skeptical? I was too. But after trying the audio meditation I've linked, I was amazed. It's simple, non-invasive, and you can do it at home. Don't let tinnitus control your life. Give hypnosis a shot. Your ears will thank you. I have a free hypnosis audio for tinnitus relief linked below.